Yeah, making $2,000 in under 36 hours trading stocks. Let's go. Oh shit, what is it? I'm in Manila right now, and just to give you a little perspective, what $2,000 is here, it's 110,000 in local currency, so that's Philippine peso. I'm not sure if that's big here, but I think that's good, especially if you can make that under 36 hours, which is less than 2 days. Let's cut the chase and discuss how it happened. For the last 12 months, at least, I've been working on new trading strategies. And for this one, I applied what I call a hybrid day swing trading strategy, wherein you find an entry intraday, hold it overnight, or possibly longer, for a chance basically of squeezing out more profits. Not all my trades are gonna be like this. Some are gonna be requiring for you to sell within the same day of entry. Some are gonna be requiring to enter early at the end of the day, which is what I was doing before. But for this one, it called for the hybrid system. It just really comes down to experience which one to apply and whatever the opportunity presents. Let's get into the trade. Whenever a stock does an intraday rally, ideally, I like entering after it does a dip, using the lows of the rally as my cut. I entered this stock at around 1850 in the first 45 minutes of the market open, buying 600 shares with a risk of $350. Knowing from the beginning my plan for this stock, I held it overnight with my stop price adjusted to my entry price when I was already ahead. The stop price is a price level wherein a trade or an order will be executed when that said price level is breached. By adjusting my stop to my entry price, this has adjusted my risk to basically zero. The surge that I was expecting happened the next day and sold all my positions at 22.10. So from 18.5 to 22.1, I think that's around 20% in under 36 hours. It could have been better, but I'm just looking at the overall perspective right now. I followed my plan, didn't hurry, I trusted my system, and yo, it works. Let's go. I don't know at making $2,000 under 36 hours for US, but for me, it's a sign that whatever I'm doing with this new trading system is heading to the right direction. There's still a bunch for me to improve on, but I feel different now. I feel confident with this. How I did the trade sounds so easy, but there was a lot that I worked on for me to get where I'm at right now. Oh, it's a nice painting, hey? I'm very excited where this is heading, and I think I'm gonna document the progress of this trading system. Hope you can do me a little favor by following my accounts. Till the next one, peace out.